In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of CoinLedger. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can wrap up your session safely and confidently. First, open the CoinLedger app in your browser and navigate to the import page. This is a common landing area when you're working on bringing in data from exchanges or wallets, so it's a convenient place to start the sign-out process. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you see the page, but if you're working normally inside the app, you should already be there. Give the page a second to fully load so all menu elements appear. Now, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This typically appears as a small circular avatar, often with your initials or a generic silhouette. It sits in the top navigation bar, separate from the main content area. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. If your window is very narrow, try maximizing it or zooming out slightly so the icon is visible. On some mobile browsers, the same menu may be tucked under a compact header, but the profile icon is still your target. In the drop-down that opens, select Logout. The moment you click, CoinLedger will end your current session in this browser. You'll be redirected back to the sign-in page or a confirmation screen indicating you're no longer signed in. That's it, your logout is complete. Logging out helps protect your financial data, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If the drop-down doesn't appear after clicking the profile icon, refresh the page and try again, or dismiss any overlays like cookie banners that might be covering the menu. If you've been importing data, logging out won't delete your progress. Your imports and settings are saved to your account, not your device. Still, it's a good habit to finish any active import or review before signing out to avoid confusion later. Keep in mind, signing out on one device does not log you out everywhere. If you've used CoinLedger on another computer or phone, repeat these same steps there. To recap, head to the import page, open the profile menu from the top right avatar and choose Log Out. A quick click, a clean exit, and your information stays protected. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay this walkthrough anytime you need a refresher.